Welcome to Wild Waves Yoga. Today's class is all about bringing energy into our body. We'll begin in Thunderbolt, hands on your knees. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here. Next, we start to bring a little bit more movement into the body. Try to think about cat-cow movements. On your inhalation, reach both arms up while arching the back a bit, and on your exhalation, bring both hands to your heart with a slight rounding of the spine. This time, come up on your knees while reaching up and sit back down, hands to your heart. One more time, just like that. And for our last one, inhale, reach up, look up, and exhale into your child's pose. You can release your hands back here or keep them extended forward. Slowly come into a tabletop position and start with some hip circles. First going to the right, then back, left and forward 2 more times. And then change direction, moving to the left, back, right and forward. 2 more. And 1 more. Back to the middle and lift up to downward dog. You can walk out your dog or keep your knees bent or extended. Listen to your body. Extend both legs and in a wave-like motion come forward to plank and back up to down dog, leading with the hips. 2 more waves, forward and back up. 1 more, forward and back. And come to your plank, and for knees, chest, chin, release your knees to the mat first. Then your chest and your chin. Slide forward to cobra or up dog. And release into child's pose. Come back to tabletop, navel to spine, and extend your right leg back, toes on the floor first, then lift the leg up. Bend your knee and bring it to your chest while rounding the spine, then lift it back up. 2 more times, forward and back, and 1 more time. Extend your right leg back, tuck the left toes under, and lift up to your 3-legged dog. Step forward with your right foot between your hands, keeping the left hand grounded and reaching the right arm up. Then switch and ground the right hand down, turning the back foot while reaching the left arm up into extended side angle. One more time into revolved high lunge, left hand down. And extended side angle, right hand down, back foot turns. Rise up all the way to peaceful warrior. Then warrior 2. Inhale, reaching both arms up to the sky while turning your back foot to high lunge. And exhale, both hands down, step back to plank and flow it out. Chaturanga, up dog, and release into child's pose. Lift back up to tabletop and extend your left leg back, toes on the floor first. Then lift the leg up, keeping the hips square. Bend your left knee and bring it into your chest while rounding the spine like cat. Then lift it back up while arching the back slightly. 2 more times. And 1 more time. Then extend your left leg back, tuck the right toes, and lift up to your 3-legged dog. Step your left foot between your hands. Keep the right hand grounded while reaching the left arm up to the sky. Then turn to your extended side angle, left hand down, turning the back foot while reaching the right arm up. One more time to revolved high lunge, right hand down. And extended side angle, left hand down, back foot turns. Rise up to your peaceful warrior. Then into your warrior 2. Inhale, reaching both arms up while turning forward to your high lunge, and exhale, both hands to the mat. Step back to plank and let's flow it out. Chaturanga, up dog, and release into child's pose. Slowly come back to down dog and extend the right leg back, bending the knee and opening the hip, but keep your shoulders square. Step forward to your low lunge, feet hip distance apart and arms reaching up. Then release back into your half split, extending the front leg. Come back to low lunge, hands to the mat and lift the back knee. Rise up to your high lunge, arms reaching up and turn to your warrior 2. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up while extending the front leg. Then exhale, bend your back leg for Skandasana, right toes pointing up. Slowly come back forward to your high lunge, hands grounded and step back to plank. Inhale, shift forward, then exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog and exhale, downward dog. Let's do the other side. Lift your left leg up, bending the knee and opening the hip. Then step forward to your low lunge. Arms reaching up and then release back to your half split. Come back forward to your low lunge, hands to the mat and lift the back knee up. Rising up to your high lunge, arms reach up, then turn to your warrior 2. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up while extending your front leg. Then exhale while bending your back leg for Skandasana, left toes pointing up. Move back forward to your high lunge, hands grounded, and step back to plank. Shift forward for Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, and exhale, down dog. Bend your knees and take a few steps or hop forward into Malasana, our yogi squat. Bring your hands to the heart and think about lifting from your pelvis. Then release the right hand to the floor, reaching the left arm up, gazing to the left side. You can stay here, or if you want to go deeper, you can try to do a bind, connecting your hands behind your back. Release, hands back to your heart, and let's move to the other side. Remember to keep your glutes and pelvic floor engaged. Then release the left hand to the floor and reach the right arm up, gazing to the right side. You can again stay here or go deeper into your bind if that's within your practice today. Beautiful. Release your bind. And then roll onto your back, hugging the knees in. Ground both feet, knees bent, and bring your knees to the right side. Then over to the left side. And one more time to the right. And to the left. Back to the middle, and extend both legs along the mat to your Shavasana. Allow the feet to relax open and relax your arms next to your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and enjoy this beautiful moment of stillness. You can stay here for as long as you like. If you want to close off your practice with me, start to bring some movement back into your toes and fingers, gently moving your hands and feet. Bend your knees and roll over to one side to come into a comfortable seated position. Once you're ready, inhale, reach both arms up, and exhale, hands to your heart. One more time, bringing lots of oxygen into your body. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, hands to your heart. Bowing down to your heart and thank yourself for your beautiful practice today. Thank you for joining me and have a beautiful rest of your day.